ho, hot chocolate. I've got a delicious hot chocolate for the little kids and the big kids among us. And you know what? There's something really comforting about sitting at home with the fire burning and just holding a mug of hot chocolate. So I'm Catherine Fulvio, let's get cooking. Hob on. Key ingredients we need: milk. Now, I'm not doing any ordinary hot chocolate. Oh gosh, no. Ours is fancy. So I have our lovely dark chocolate. This is 70% cocoa solids, and this is going to give a beautiful, deep, dark chocolate. You can, of course, use milk chocolate. Depends on personal taste. We're going to pop that in. And we want to add a bit of flavour in. So I'm going with some cinnamon. Let's see if you can see the cinnamon going in there. There's the cinnamon. And let's go with some vanilla. So this is a lovely vanilla bean paste. Oh, get it all in there. Give that a stir in so we get it all in. Smell of the cinnamon. Cinnamon and chocolate just is so gorgeous together, isn't it? Okay, next we have one of my favourites, star anise. So we put this in now and get the flavour out of it, but don't forget to take it out because you don't want anybody biting into that because it's quite a hard spice, but it's gorgeous. So bring this to the boil, but we need to keep an eye on it because we've got the chocolate in here and we just want to melt the chocolate in the milk. Okay, we are just there. So this is heating up beautifully. Now, not everybody likes a hot chocolate without sugar in it. And I am using this beautiful soft dark brown sugar because it's just so gorgeously caramelly. I'm going with about kind of 1.5 teaspoons in there. I think that should do it. And we'll give that a stir in and just melt that in. Great thing about my job, I get to taste. Let's grab a spoon. Goodness, that's gorgeous. That is so nice. Back here with my vanilla spoon, I want to lift out now at this point this star anise, okay, because I have a little trick that I want to show you just to get a nice smooth hot chocolate, and that is one of these guys. So we just whip that off, put it out of the way and give it a little whisk. That just blends the chocolate in really perfectly. So we can turn the heat off now. And it's time to serve. So now, if you trust me, I'm going to go for it. This is my little serving plate. I'm putting it on the serving plate later. I do have a spatula, but I'm quite happy having a go like this. Hopefully not spilling. Yes. Now you can put cream on top, of course. But look at these mini marshmallows. I just think they're gorgeous on hot chocolate. And they just melt in. And then I have some cranberries. So that there is my ho hot chocolate. Merry Christmas.
For lots more hints, tips and recipes from myself and Ballynock and Cookery School, subscribe now.